In this video, I'm going to show you how to formulate a dynamical system. I'm just going to do one example. Here is an example. You owe $500 on a credit card that charges 1.5% interest each month. You pay $50 each month and make no new changes. Make no new charges. First step here, we have to identify the initial value. So here the initial value is equal to $500, and here I'm going to write a sub 0. Initial value is the value that we start with. So the value that we start with, the amount that you owe, which is $500. Yeah, this is our first step. We have identified the initial value. Here is our second step. This is change. Change is equals to some function. Change is equals to some function. So now let's make a function out of this situation. Let's say now you owe $500. Now you owe $500. Now each month this money increases by 1.5% each month, and then you pay $50 each month. So now let's make a function out of this situation. So I'm going to take interest, then divide it by 100. It's 1.5 divide by 100. 1.5 divide by 100. Let's make a function now. So here I'm going to write 0.015, and I'm going to write a sub n here. Then you pay $50, which means each and every month you reduce your credit by $50. So we could here we're going to have minus. So it's minus 50. I'm just going to write 50. I'm going to ignore the dollar sign. So it's minus 50. The amount that you owe each and every month is going to increase by 1.5%, but you are going to minus $50 each month. So change is the same thing as a sub n plus 1 and minus a sub n sub a, which is equals to, then let's write the interest one comma 1.5, then a sub n and a sub n, then minus by $50, minus by $50. So now we should make a sub n plus 1 the subject of the formula. So we should make a sub n plus 1 the subject of the formula. Let me just write a line here. So here we're going to have a n plus 1 then here we're just going to transpose. So we're going to take a sub n from left to right. So a sign is going to be to change. So negative is going to be positive. Then plus our interest, which is 0,015. 0,015 a sub n and minus by $50. So this one is the final answer. So this one is the dynamical system. Don't forget to write the initial value. But here we have like terms. Here we have like terms. You can add these two like terms. Let's just go ahead and do so. It's a n plus 1. The answer is equals to, then here we are just going to add, open the brackets, 1, 0, 1, 5, then open the brackets or close the bracket, sorry, minus $50. So this one is the final answer.